good morning, good evening, good afternoon, everyone, wherever you're watching from. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Driller Blaze Concept. Today, I'll be talking to us, or I'll be teaching us arithmetic operation in JavaScript. In our last lesson, we discussed about data types, the different type of data type, which we dealt with that extensively. So you can go back to the YouTube channel to search for the video or the lesson on data type. So today we'll continue our lesson on arithmetic operation in JavaScript. Before we dive into the explanation or into the lesson proper, I would like to explain to us basic terminologies in arithmetic operation. Basic terminologies in arithmetic operation. Okay, looking at this here where we have 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. I will use this to explain to us. The numbers that we have there, 1, 2, and 3, are called operands. Operands. And the signs that we have there, we have an addition sign, we have the equals to sign. The addition sign is known as the operator, while the equals to sign is known as the assignment operator as well. But this is known, both of them are known as operator. This is addition operator and assignment operator. So we need this two, the operands and the operators, to create an arithmetic expression. So here we have an arithmetic expression, combination of both the operands and the operator. So here we have 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. So I will be explaining to us now. Let's use this. Let student equals 5. And if we want to increase student by 3, we say student equals to student plus 3. Now let's check in our console what this is going to give us. Here we have 8. Our student is now 8. That means, the value of student here is 5 because the student variable here is holding a value of 5. Then addition operator is introduced where we have plus 3, then that makes 8. Okay, so aside that, we have so many operators in JavaScript, arithmetic operators in JavaScript. The addition, as I did now, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, and exponent. So I'll still use this to explain to us the subtraction, sorry. So now let's say we are subtracting 3 from student. So what will be the answer here? Let's check our console. It says 2, meaning 5 minus 3. As I said earlier, the student variable here is holding number 5, is holding 5. The data type is number, which is 5, the value of 5. So it means 5 minus 3. So what about division? Division, that's student divided by 3, and save the answer into students. So let's save that. What we're going to have 1.6. So the division of 5 by 3 is 1.66667. So what about multiplication? This is the multiplication sign here, the multiplication sign. So let's see that it says 15. We have 15 here, which is 5 times 3 multiplied by 3, which is 15. So now I'll be talking about the exponent and modulus as well. The exponent is just a power of the value, which the sign here is 2 multiplication sign. So now, for example, we say we have the value of 5 in student. So let's say exponent 3. So let's see what's that? What would the answer be? 125, meaning 5 into 3 places multiplied in 3 places. 5 times 5 times 5. That's the meaning of exponent. Power of 3. 5 raised to power of 3. So what about modulus? Let's check what modulus is going to give us. Modulus is just the division of a number and the result of what is going to give us. Either it remains or it doesn't remain. So if we have an odd number basically divided by an even number, it's going to give us a remainder. So now looking at it now, let's divide 3 by, let's divide 5 by 3. Let's divide 5 by 3. And the sign here is just our percentage sign. So let's see what's going to give us. What's the answer? It says 2 because 2 is remaining. As I said, the remainder is what will be our result. So when you divide 5 by 3, it's going to give us 2. That's the remainder. It's going to give us 2. So that's on that as regarding operators. So now, there's something called augmented assignment in JavaScript. Augmented assignment. So for example, we have something like, as we have now, we want to increase, it's just like increasing, or instead of expressing this like this, you can just say student equals 2. It can be expressed like this. Or for subtraction, 2. For division, 2. Okay, you can express it like that, where you have your variable and the operator, the assignment, and the value. Okay, you can express, instead of having the expression like this, you can have it like this. With all, it's possible with all of the operators. You can use the modulus as well. You see that? You can also use the modulus. You can use the exponent as well. You can use the exponent as well. So instead of having the expression as long as this, it's just like a shorthand of writing the expression in this way and just expressing it in this form. Okay, that's called augmented assignment. So now I will be talking about arithmetic operation precedence. There's a level or order or a kind of orderliness in arithmetic operation, because if this order is not followed or is not obeyed, then your result might be wrong. So in arithmetic operation, the first order of this operator is the parenthesis. Whenever you have your expression in parentheses like this, you make sure that you solve the expression in the parentheses first before every other operators should be solved. The next one is exponent. Then the next one is your multiplication. The multiplication followed by division followed by the modulus operator, then the addition, and oh, sorry, uh, again, sorry about that. Okay, and the subtraction. Okay, so if you have your expression, arithmetic expression involving a parenthesis, ensure that the parenthesis expression is solved first before any other operators can be solved. The next one is exponent. If in case you have an exponent, then what should be solved next is the exponent, then the multiplication. So let's have something for us here. Let's say 6, let's say game equals, let's declare it, game equals 6 divided by 2, then let's have the exponent of 2 minus 1. And let's say let read equals same expression, but we are going to do something right now. The exponent of 2, okay, let's open a parenthesis here, 2 minus 1. So with this parenthesis, the value will be different. The value will be different. So let's console game and read. Let's save. Okay, let's save that. Oh, okay, sorry. Yeah, you see, game is giving us 0.5 and read is giving us 3, the value of 3. Why? Because as I said, the exponent comes first. So here you are going to make sure that you solve this, which means 6 divided by 2 power of 2. In power of 2 will be 4 minus 1. So that will be 4 minus 1 will be 3. You understand? So yes. So 6 divided by 3 is what? No, which one comes first? Multiplication? Oh, sorry. So we have the division there by 4, then minus 1. So, which means 6 divided by 4 because the division comes first before the subtraction. Okay, so which is 6 divided by 4. That will be like okay, let's get a calculator here. What will be the value? 6 divided by 4 will be 1.5. So 1.5 minus 1 will be giving us 0.5. Okay, that will be resulting to 0.5. So now that's for game. So let's come to read. 6 divided by 2, the exponent of parenthesis 2 minus 1. So looking at this right now, What are we going to do first? We're going to make sure that because what comes first? What operator comes first? That's the parenthesis, 2 minus 1, which will give us what? 1. Okay, so meaning we will have something like this. We'll have something like this divided by 2, 1. So 2 raised to power 1 will be what? Will be 2. So 6 divided by 2 will be 3. So that's why we have a value of 3 for it. So you can see that the operator's precedence is very important to get the actual value as regarding arithmetic operation. In our next lesson, we would continue with a different topic. So I would love you to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube video. Thank you.